Say that again. I can buy what for you?
One connector. My custom Simbaku connector. This Photon 2 channel was originally called Simbaku, but I changed it.
Yeah, I'll get started.
And that's 2.
Actually get mad.
And I'll connect the battery together. And the way they've always wanted to be.
Yeah, I might start for some reason.
Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Batteria. Oh, I have to put it flat because it's shit. So the negative one, I'll swap it over. This is going to be our negative here. So I'm going to get all the black wires of the alarms and pop them together like this. I'm going to twist them one. I'm trying to do this as quickly as I can for you guys. Twisting 2. And then all the positives. Because why the fuck not? $47 you've got to remember. I'm doing this, guys, just for you. 47 volts, mate. So then the 3 wires that speaker broke off, remove them. The other 3 wires the speaker broke off, the second one broke them, and the other one has still got the speaker remaining. Keep the negative I'm attaching to the battery.
What about what?
And then the battery's breaking again.
I'm the only starting until tomorrow morning.
And then the other one, which is positive, is getting negative from the wire. The wire.
Nah, cool, yeah. Let me have a think about one now. Give it a shot.
Right. And then positive on the alarms is getting positive from the charger. Oh, we're sorting out, aren't we? Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, the circuit boards can't be touching. Shit. Are they all confidently connected? They look like they are. Okay, I'm kind of scared to do this because this is fucking so high voltage. Oh, something zapped. And you see every single one of the chipboards I've done. I think one of the LEDs just fizzled out. I want to know how much arc you get off 47 volts. Just want to know how good it actually is. I think it just killed them all. Like, done and dusted, like, just fucked. Right, so now I've got a bare 47 volt supply. I'm turning it on. I'm going to give an arc. Let's see what happens. Is that it? I think I've just killed the batteries. Do it again. The batteries did not like that at all. That was just shit.